In this video, we compare the top 8 popular Android contacts recovery software for your reference. Top 1. Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android. The best deleted contact recovery app for Android is Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android, which is a comprehensive recovery app not only for contacts, but also for many other files, like messages, call logs, photos, videos, music, documents, and more. You can preview and recover both deleted and existing files from Android internal memory or SD card on a computer with this splendid recovery app. Top 2. Coolmuster Android SMS Plus Contacts Recovery. As its name suggests, Coolmuster Android SMS Plus Contacts Recovery is a software that focuses on recovering Android contacts and SMS. Moreover, this pure Android contact recovery software is free from annoying ads or other unnecessary functions. Top 3. Recover Deleted Contacts. Recover Deleted Contacts is a deleted contacts recovery app available on Google Play. It is easy to operate, requiring only 2 steps to restore contacts deleted from both phone storage and SIM card. Top 4. Wondershare DR Phone Data Recovery Android. Wondershare DR Phone Data Recovery Android is another outstanding mobile contact recovery software. With it, you can scan and preview deleted files for free. No matter if you encounter accidental deletion, forgotten password, routing error, system crash, black screen, or anything else, you can easily recover data from your Android phone. Top 5. EaseUS MobiSaver for Android. The contacts recovery software for Android after factory reset. EaseUS MobiSaver for Android is also popular among many people. With it, you can freely recover contacts, messages, photos, videos, music, and other files on your PC. Top 6. Aiseesoft Android Data Recovery. Aiseesoft Android Data Recovery is a powerful Android contacts recovery software that swiftly retrieves your data from phones affected by water damage, forgotten passwords, black screens, and other similar issues. Top 7. iMyFone Debug for Android. iMyFone Debug for Android is a professional contacts recovery software designed for Android devices. Regardless of accidental deletion, system crash, virus attack, forgotten password, or other issues, it enables you to easily recover lost contacts and other files directly from your Android phone or restore them from Google backups. It is compatible with most Android phones and Windows computers. Top 8. iMobie PhoneRescue. iMobie PhoneRescue is a comprehensive contacts recovery software for Android devices. Apart from contact restoration, it also supports the recovery of various data types such as photos, messages, app data, and more. It offers a diverse range of options to ensure you can access the content you need under any circumstances.